Get cleaner clothes without the need for expensive chemical detergents with the O3 Waterworks laundry system. The system installs easily without the need of a plumber or electrician and does not require any filter or cartridge changes. It uses your home's cold tap water and transforms it into a power oxidizer aqueous ozone by dissolving O3 into the water supply. The aqueous O3 deodorizes by removing it at the source. It will leave your washing machine smelling fresh and clean again without the need for additional chemical treatments. And once the aqueous ozone has done its job, it reverts back to water and oxygen without leaving chemical residues behind that are harmful for your family's health. With the O3 Waterworks laundry system, you'll have cleaner clothes. Help to keep our world cleaner and healthier. And save money by not buying expensive laundry detergents and not using hot water. In fact, a family of 4 using the O3 Waterworks laundry system can save up to $665 per year. Visit us online to get your O3 Waterworks laundry system today.